If you think the present simple is just I eat, you eat, or we eat, you're missing 80% of how it's actually used. Let's fix that in 5 minutes. By far, the most common tense in English is present simple, as in I work. I is the subject and work is the verb. So that is the formula I want you to remember. Subject plus verb. But when do we use this tense? We use the present tense to talk about facts. Cristiano Ronaldo is a famous footballer. Well, this is a fact, right? Everybody knows that Ronaldo is a very famous player. Here, Ronaldo is the subject and is our verb. Subject plus verb. Or look at this one. The sun rises in the east. Well, this is a fact. Everybody knows that the sun rises in the east. It is the subject and rises is our verb. We also use present simple to talk about habits, things that we do every day. He gets up early every morning. This is his habit. He is the subject and gets up is our phrasal verb. He eats a healthy breakfast every morning. He is the subject and eats is the verb. Another use of present simple is to talk about hobbies. What do you do in your free time? What does Ronaldo do in his free time? Well, he works out in the gym. He is the subject and works is the verb. He plays cards at home. This is another hobby he has. He, subject, plays verb. And one more use of present simple is to talk about schedules and timetables. When are you going to do what? For example, in Ronaldo's case, he plays football matches and tournaments during the year. This is his schedule. This is what his agenda looks like. Or look at this one. He travels for international or worldwide matches every summer. This is something he does every summer. It's a part of his schedule. Another use for present simple is for instructions and recipes. Example, first you mix the ingredients together, then you bake the cake for 30 minutes. Mix is the verb and ingredients is the subject. So, to wrap up, we have 5 main uses of present simple to talk about facts, hobbies, habits, and schedule times, and finally, instructions or recipes. So, here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, notice how often you use the present simple in your head, in conversations, even in your text. And I've made it even easier for you. There is a worksheet waiting for you in the description. Go check it out, complete it, and send me your answers. I'll be looking forward to see how you do. So I hope you understood. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and smash that subscribe button.